Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I welcome you to a little bit of a kind of marathon catch-up kind of thing. Just because there's been a couple of things released in the last couple of days. Most groups I don't really stand, but I am curious about and would like to get into them a little bit more. And I've heard their music before and I've enjoyed it. So we've got NEXZ in the Rain. I've listened to a couple of their songs and I really like their sound. They are one of the not many girl groups that I really enjoy the music of. And it's not that I have something against girl groups, just the sound. I gotta find a sound that I really enjoy. And I feel like their sound is really cool and really experimental, and I like all their voices a lot. Then we got NEXZ, which I've checked all of their music videos before. I don't know their names, but I've enjoyed their songs before, so I'm curious about this one. Then we got 82MAJOR, which I've checked out their music before and I also enjoyed it. And I think I might have a bias, so I'm curious about this one. I think this is like an album, is it? I don't know. I don't really follow them on any social media, so I didn't even know they're releasing something. So that took me by surprise today. And then we've got NCT poppop, which NCT I followed them since last start. Alright, I've been here. It's been so long since I last checked them out though. Like, I think it was before Riku went on a hiatus. He had some health problems, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm excited to check all of these out. Let's go, let's get to the video. Hope you enjoy it. I'm curious to check them out. One of the songs, it's like 2 songs combined. I think it was NEXZ and it was an interesting title. I don't remember. Hansu, was it? Like that, there was a music video with 2 songs combined. That was so good. It's like one of my favorite songs ever. Like the combined one. I don't know what it was about it. Visually it was so good, but the sound was so cool. So I'm interested to see this. I know they have like a story. It's so interesting the way they're doing everything. I want to get into them. So oh, that sounds different. Vocals, alright, girlies. What is that?
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather.
Her voice.
Like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? That month you still running in. Goodbye. So you never been like that, like that.
Their vocals.
Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
That's so different for them, from what I've heard. Ooh, I like the use of the umbrellas. I love her. Her voice is so cool. It's like a little bit deeper. Their voices. I like the choreography. God, their vocals. This choreography is so tricky. I like that. Vocals. So pretty. That's so pretty. That shot was so pretty. I like that. I like how it looks visually. It's so pretty. There are vocals. That looks so pretty. Oh, excuse me? Oh, it's me? I thought it was a music video. Oh, it's me. Oh no, why are we doing that? And we are back. I am so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Their vocals? That is going to my playlist. The way they're riffing, I really like how it looks. So pretty. That looks so cool. The harmonies? So pretty. Girlies sing to me like that forever. Because oh my god, their voices are so pretty, all of them. Every single one of them has such a pretty voice. Do they write the lyrics or not? I don't know their names, but y'all did that. It was so pretty visually, and the song is so good. Like, yes. Was the title track or was that B-side? I'm curious about that one. Because if it is a title track, I feel like it's different. If not, I don't know their B-sides. I'd never listened to their B-side that much, apart from the two songs that were combined. NEXZ. My Korean is not it. Simmer. I'm excited. I've listened to them before. That is different already. That is so different. Am I crazy? That's a cappella. Yo. Oh. What have I missed? They changed so much. Wasn't their sound like brighter? The last song they released? I'm sorry for my computer lagging. That's like a cappella. The drop and the choreography is so cool. That's so different. I like how it sounds. Who is that? Who is he? Alright. The vocals are so cool. Oh, he's cute. Excuse me, sir, I'm gonna need you to calm down. What the hell? Not him with the freaking. I like how it looks, this music video. Oh, sure. So pretty.
뭔가 터질 이 분위긴 적당해 모든 게 숨이 막힐 때 고요해
Hey. Oh god. Oh, I've been sleeping on them. I gotta listen to more of the music. I've listened to the music videos, but like, that is so different. Who is that in the middle? I am done with him. Like, who is he? Him with the black and grayish hair? Sir. Oh my god. I've been sleeping on them. That was so good. That is my favorite song from them. Is that a pre-release? Yo. What? I've been sleeping on NEXZ. I've been sleeping on them. Oh god. I've listened to their title tracks, like their music videos they released. I believe like I've listened to 3 or 4. I remember watching their pre-debut song, and I believe debut 2, and then the latest that they did. The Cute song, I believe. It was Cute, if I remember correctly. Wow, that was so different. I like that. Who's that one guy with the black and the highlights? Like the... He was too much. He was too much. Now it's 82MAJOR, which I'm so excited for. I've listened to their title tracks too. And I think I might have a bias already. Songbin? Is it him? The rapper? I don't know. I like his rapping style. I know he was on a show. I don't remember what the show was called. It only makes sense. I like his rapping style. He's so cool. Oh, they don't have lyrics? Come on now. I'm curious about this one. The latest release was so interesting. I was like, what is happening? Such a different vibe and a weird vibe, kind of. I enjoyed the song though. TAKEOVER. What? I don't know. Prequel. Not the classical music. Again with the weird vibes. That seems cinematic. Who are you? Is that the leader? I don't know. I don't know them that well. Wow. Filmed by... Alright. That's a movie. Makes sense. It looks like one. I recognize their faces. I don't know their names though. And also don't know their positions. I know Ye-chan. Like, and Songbin. Because he might be my bias. Is that Songma? I won't try. Are we in prison? Excuse me. That is the maknae. Wow, that's a whole ass movie. Alright. I'm waiting for the song. Oh, that is so hip-hop. I feel like they always have a hip-hop sound. Alright. Sir. Yeah, chat. They're all rapping on this. What is happening? That... He has a deep voice, I remember. Is that the maknae? Or is it not? So pretty. The vibes are so weird in their music videos. This sound... Alright. Hey. Oh, it's a vibey song. I like it. Their hairstyles are interesting. Is that song? I'm confused. Oh. I like the sets. The whole vibe of it. The vocals are so pretty. It's so different than the pre-chorus. So brighter and like what are the outfits? What is happening? Alright. Oh, their dancing is crazy. I remember. The Magna is rapping too. Excuse me. Alright. Well, damn. I did not expect that. The vibes were weird. I feel like it's a theme for the music videos. It's like artistic things are very, you know. You say controversial? I like it. That was interesting. I like the sound though. I like how it changed in the pre-chorus, and the chorus was very heavy, very hip-hop. I feel like their sound is like that. I really like it. I really like it. Visually it was interesting. Like their styling was interesting. That's what I gotta say. Different. Alright, and we've got my babies. They're my age, but they're my babies. And still wish poppop. Poppop. Is that an album? I think it is. Xion is my bias. Not the green. Asking out someone? Or oh, Yoshi! So cute. Oh, he sounds so good. Jackie! Ria? Jackie sounds. Very cool. So cute. They're adorable. Oh. Ooh, that choreography was crazy. I think the choreography always goes crazy. Oh, it's catchy. The melody is catchy. Hey, Sakura! I like his rapping. I like how low his voice is. Alright. I like how playful his tone is. Jackie. You are my favorite thing, Jackie. I like the chanting kinda. I like how they're singing this. It's like more rappy. Excuse me, what is happening with my PC today? Like, we are not doing that. She's so cute. Jackie! Oh, I like the choreography. That's so fun. Yoshi. Ooh, vocals. Vocals. Excuse me, we are not doing that, especially when Jackie comes in on the bridge. Yo, I'm annoying. It's okay. Ooh, vocals. Ooh, choreography. Yeah. Cute. Yo, I am very cool. I'm so sorry, yo. Yo. My PC cannot handle this. Jackie's going off in the back. I hear you. That's so catchy. That's actually so catchy. Choreography. Jackie looks so pretty. Yo, the visuals? Yoshi. So cute. They're such beautiful human beings. Can we talk about that? You got this, Shin. He's going to meet me. No, he is not. So cute. He looks so pretty with the hair. Yo. You got this. Cute. It's so cute. Yo. That was a fun little catch up, even though my computer didn't want to do what it has to do, but it's okay. I like the NCT song. I like it. It's pretty. As always, they have such a cute little bright sound, and I feel like it's perfect for the season right now. Like, it's getting warm outside and the sun is shining. It's kind of late for me now, but like, yes, I like their sound. It's so cutesy, and I like it. It only makes sense. They're young and they're so bubbly, and their vocals go crazy for them. Always. I don't know, Jackie. The chorus is very catchy. As I said, the pop, pop, pop. Make pop. Yeah, catchy. I don't know their storyline. I am so confused about it. So yeah, I loved it. I loved it so much, and I'm happy Riku is back. I hope they're all like healthy and doing well, because damn. I don't know if they're overworked. I don't know what it is. I feel like it might be that. Let them rest. If they need to rest, let them rest. Like, it's okay. Because damn, yeah, they're so young and already like having problems with their health. It makes me sad. Like, no, let's not do that. I enjoyed this. It was so fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the songs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.